Hey everyone, welcome to Fast Scratch Python. This is Ali from MediaWeb. This is a super fast Python series where we're going to learn by doing, not by just talking too much. I don't need any experience, by the way, in this video, and you don't need to install or download anything. We're just gonna need Replit and a little bit of curiosity. Let's start by creating a new Python project in Replit. We open Replit, we sign in, of course. This is, by the way, where all the magic happens. We can click on create app here. It's gonna lead us here to this part where you can ask the chatbot to create an app for you. And it's pretty not my favorite way to do it. We can click here on developer framework. It will open this page. Just ignore all of this, click on create, select Python, because anyway we're gonna start with Python this course. We can name it, for example, like test underscore code underscore 1. Okay, then there's no need to do any further steps, just click on create app. Okay, first of all, let's organize our working area here. Okay, we have the console. This is where we can see our output or the result of our project. Then we need to open the files here on the right. Then we go to main.py. Then we close files. In order to see the console and main.py at the same time, you drag main.py to the right, so you can see console on your left and main.py to the right. Or you can do the opposite, that's up to you. But let's start right now writing our first code. The first thing every programmer learns is how to make the computer talk. How to make the computer talk? We're going to use a command called print. It's your first and the best command in Python. It's the easiest and you're going to love it. You're going to get used to it because we're gonna use it in every video many times. This print allows you to show anything you want on the console area as an output. So this print prints what's inside on the screen. So what we can print inside the print? We can open double quotation. Opening double quotation is a way to tell Python that there will be text. This text, we're telling Python to show it on the screen. Okay, let's say the first thing you need to learn. Every programmer have to print this sentence as the first thing in his programming career. Hello world. Okay, and that's it. When you write your code here, you click on the green button on the top left of Replit. It's called the run button. We all use the run button to run our code. Click on it. You will see the output here, and that's it. If you can print, you can code. Since you took the first step to write the print here, you can do anything. We can write any prints, like welcome to Media Web Tutorial or tutorials, it's up to you. When we click run, you will see that Python runs the command or the comments that you're going to write, or reads your code from top to bottom in order. Whatever you're going to write, let's print this is too easy. Whatever you write inside the print, it's going to be printed here. Then we break a new line, print another thing. I'm learning Python. Let's run this line. See, whatever you write, it's here. As I told you, if you can print, you can code. Now let's write a comment. This comment means that anything you're going to write after this hash is going to be commented. Like it's gonna be comment, so Python cannot print it or take any action on this comment. Python understand that this hash means that there is a comment or a comment after this hash. So that's it. We can write that this comment will not be executed. Let's write a real comment this time. Let's say the variables section. Let's create some variables. Okay, a variable is where we store information. It's like a box. I can say name equal Ellen. That's wrong, by the way, because like in the print, if you want to write text, you have to put quotations. So you click Shift and write the double quotations. Then you write, for example, Ellen. If you want to store a number, you don't need quotations. It's a number, not a text. Python recognizes number outside of the text. So you write age equal 25, for example. So, like we said, variable is like a box. This box, for example, here is called a name and it stores text. This box, for example, here is called age and it stores number. What if I want to print the value inside this box? I'm going to print name and I'm going to print age. When I run this code, right here is going to say Ellen and then is going to say 25. So when I print the variable by the variable name, Python prints the value inside the box, the value inside it. Okay. Let's take a new topic. It will be the last one and it's gonna be pretty simple. For example, let's say the input section. This input section means I'm going to take an input from the user. I'm the program right now. I'm the developer. I want an input into my program from the user. So let's ask him about his name. So I'm gonna create a variable called name and I'm gonna say that its value, it's gonna be an input from the user. So I'm gonna write the word input. And since input is a command, I'm gonna open a bracket. Every function or every command, beside it, there is a bracket. And inside this bracket, I can say, what is your name? So this message can be printed on the screen while taking the input from the user. Then I want to print this name. So I can print, open double quotation, write hello, comma, space. All of this is inside the quotation, but outside of the quotation, I write comma, then name. I wrote comma here because I'm going to print two things, text and variable. So I put comma between them. So let's test this code. If I run the code from here, what's your name? Let's say Alex. Enter. It will say hello Alex. Okay, this makes the computer wait for the user. Okay, and this is how we make the program more interactive. I can ask him about his age. Age equal input. How old are you? Okay, and I can print you are, comma, age, comma, years old. Let's try this one. When I run the code, it's going to be, what's your name? Let's say Alex again. How old are you? It said hello Alex. How old are you? I can say 30 or let's say 18. Okay, you are 18 years old. That's it. See, it's very easy. And congratulations, by the way, since you have reached here, you just wrote a real interactive program. And that's not all, don't worry, in the next video, we won't explain anything new. We'll build more cool projects using the principles and the topics, the three main topics, the print, variables, and input that we talked about today. And that's it. Today was the first video from Fast Scratch Python, and see you in the next one. Thank you for subscribing to MediaWeb.